Today I'm going to show you how to get a person using Action Network in n8n. This is a quick workflow setup that lets you pull person records from Action Network so you can use that data in the rest of your automation. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. If you already have a workflow built out, just go ahead and load that up. If you're starting from scratch, open a new workflow so you can add the Action Network node in the right place. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where n8n gives you all the available integrations and actions. In the search field, type Action Network so you can find the node quickly instead of scrolling through everything manually. After that, select Action Network from the list. Now you'll see the available actions for that node. From here, choose Get a Person. This is the option you want when you need to retrieve a specific person's information from Action Network. Once the node is added, you can start configuring it based on what you want to pull into your workflow. Set the inputs you need, choose the correct person reference, and adjust any required fields so the node returns the exact data you're looking for. Make sure everything matches your workflow's goal before moving on. After that, save your node and test the workflow to confirm it's pulling the person data correctly. If the setup is right, n8n will fetch the person record from Action Network and make it available for the next steps in your automation. And that's it. That's how to get a person using Action Network in n8n. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple automation guides.